Call Sheets video series. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create shoot days and scenes for our call sheets. Let's launch Koala. You will be presented with an empty calendar. You can either create a new project or load an existing Koala Call Sheet project file. First, let's create a blank project. Select the green Add button. This will take you to the Create Project screen. Enter a title for your project and the production company information. You can always edit this information later, so I will enter just the production company name and click OK. The new project is created, and you are prompted to create your first shoot day. Before I do, let me show you how to edit the production company information. You can do this by selecting this button here. Here, you can modify the project name, the production company name, address, phone, email, and also add logos. The first logo will print on call sheets 7 through 12. The second logo will print on call sheets 5, 6, 11, and 12. To add a logo, select the green Add button. Here you can track the revision number of the call sheet, which will print on the footer of the page. Now let's create our first shoot day. Go to the month and year you want your production to start. Then select a day on the calendar. You will be presented with the Not a Shoot Day message, confirming that you want to create this day as a shoot day. If you do not want this message to appear again, select this checkbox. Click OK to create the shoot day. A clapboard on the calendar day signifies that this is a shoot day. The buttons on the bottom allow you to shortcut to those screens. Select the calendar day to display shoot day details for this day. On the shoot day details screen, you can enter information that you want to print out on your call sheet. If you loaded a call sheet that was exported from Gorilla or that was created in Chimpanzee, much of this information will already be entered. Let's add a couple of scenes to this shoot day. Select the Scene button. To add a scene to this shoot day, select the green Add button. Enter the scene number, set information, and page count. You can also enter the time of the scene for commercial or industrial call sheets. If you want to enter a short synopsis for this scene, select the Synopsis button. You can enter up to 2 lines that will print on a call sheet. To duplicate this scene, select the Duplicate button. You can then modify the information for the duplicate scene. To delete this scene, select the red X button. To enter a location for the scene, select the Location button. If you have entered any locations for this project, you will be able to select them from the list on the bottom of the screen. Otherwise, to create a new location, select the green Add button. Enter the new location information, including address. Once the location is created, you can then select it from the existing locations list. This button allows you to move a scene from one shoot day to a different shoot day. This function is useless unless you have more than one shoot day. So we will come back to this feature in just a second. Let's create another shoot day. Select any day on the calendar. Now, before we click on this shoot day, notice that the Scene button on the first day is not dimmed, but the Scene button on the new shoot day is dimmed. This is because day 1 has 1 or more scenes attached to it, whereas day 2 does not have any scenes attached to it. I'm going to add a scene to day 2 by clicking on the Scene button. Now click on the green Add button and enter your scene. Now let's go back to day 1 and move Scene 1 to day 2. Click on the Scene button for day 1, then click on the Move button. Notice you can now select day 2. The scene is removed from day 1 and now appears on day 2. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot!